Today we are tackling the ultimate challenge for any business leader. How do you achieve a holistic approach to decision making, one that unites financial targets, operational efficiency, and future resilience? I'm your host, Oshri Beaton, a certified Google data engineer, and I believe the solution isn't just in gathering data, but in applying a universal three-step data pathway. This pathway works whether you're a retailer, an investment banker, or a production head. It allows you to use your core values as the strategic anchor and data analytics as the engine. I'm going to share that exact blueprint with you and then prove its power by walking through 4 high-stakes projects I've completed, from venture capital to poultry farming. The truth is, data is messy. It's scattered across databases, new articles, customer calls, and video reports. My work as a data engineer is to bring order to that chaos, using a disciplined 3-step methodology. Step 1. Data collection and quality validation. The first step is about scope and integrity. We collect data from 2 streams: internal sources like your sales logs, customer service transcripts, and external sources like the internet, articles, and the new databases. Crucially, AI is now central to collection. We use advanced tools to scrap, categorize, and prioritize all of that unstructured data. But collection is worthless without validation. Before moving on, you must check the source and quality of every piece of data. If the foundation is flawed, your multi-million-dollar conclusion will be too. Step 2. Data analysis and visualization. Once the data is validated, the real engineering begins. We use deep learning tools to find correlations like the relationship between product price and discount or temperature and crop yield. This is where the power of business intelligence or BI tools come in. Our goal is to make the complex accessible. We use machine learning to extract numerical data from text, for example, investment figures or growth percentage mentioned in new articles, and then immediately create a clear graph and charts. This provides the business leader with a clear, validated, and visual view, turning abstract numbers into actionable trend. Step 3. Data synthesis. This final step is the true differentiator of a holistic approach. It's about integration. We bring together metrics, charts, and unstructured media to form an undeniable conclusion. We use machine learning and advanced natural language processing for 2 critical tasks. 1. Media processing. We use machine learning tools to summarize and extract key information from audio like podcast and video like market reports. Task 2. Text mining. We use these tools to find the right phrases, the key qualitative insights, the sentiment, the intent, in thousands of customer log or articles. By synthesizing all these modalities, text, numbers, audio, and video, the final business decision is not based on a single spreadsheet, but on a comprehensive cross-validated picture. Segment 1. Venture Capital. I recently applied this pathway to the defense technology ecosystem for venture capital firm. The challenge was to identify where to place a massive high-risk investment. I use AI to collect and process thousands of articles, reports, and investment announcements. BI tools then visualize the astonishing trends: a 95% growth rate in the number of defense tech startups in the last year, alongside a massive gain in total investment. Finally, machine learning summarized news reports and identified the right phrases concerning subsectors like AI and drones, leading to synthesized executive reports on unicorn potential. The data empower the investor to take a calculated high-risk bet grounded in verified explosive market trend. Segment 2, Banking. A major Canadian bank needed to stabilize profit by identifying its most profitable customer and reducing churn. I analyzed customer transaction data like age, education, product count, and internal customer service logs. BI tool visualized the most profitable credit card and demographic categories. The deep learning analysis on the service log uncovered two critical holistic insights. One, the main reason for customer churn was calling customer service repeatedly and not getting the right response. Insight 2, the customer with the highest churn was those with the lowest number of financial products. The data proved that investing in customer service is not a cost, it's an investment in profit protection. It strengthens the value of integrity and service, which directly reduces churn and increases the chances of those customers buying more product later. Segment 3, Retail. The challenge was to increase profit through operational efficiency and asset stewardship. I correlated product sales, price, and discount data. The analysis proved a strong link between the discount the worker gives and the total revenue. The data proved that the value of employment, empowerment, and respect is high return of investment financial decision. Using geospatial data, I pinpointed the exact geographic locations where both production and sales were consistently highest. This insight allowed capital for expansion and upgrades to be allocated with surgical precision, maximizing the return on physical assets. Segment 4, Agriculture. The challenge was to protect the Canadian poultry industry from the volatility of climate risk. Climate data was integrated. Analysis identified a clear correlation between temperature and production outcomes. By transforming climate from a vague external risk into forecastable variable, the data enabled strategic investment in targeted risk mitigation, protecting the Canadian poultry industry assets and fulfilling the value of resilience. The 4 case studies prove that the three-step holistic approach works for everyone. Data is not just a tool, it's a disciplined, repeatable pathway to achieve your most ambitious goal. Commit to this holistic approach, use your values to assess the goal, and use validated data, synthesizing text and media with machine learning to map the most profitable and secure path to get there.